Akshat. I'm leading the digital marketing piece for MMTC-PAMP, and today we are just doing a sort of consumer engagement activity with our customers. We are 2008 old company. We are known for bringing global standards to India. So if you see all of our products, you'll see the finest Swiss craftsmanship. No other products in this category can match the quality that is there. The purity 999.9. We are doing 4 parts plus out of every, so 4 nines plus for every 10,000 parts. That's the purest quality of metal that you will get in India, both in silver and both in this Akshaya Tritiya. We launched Akshaya Tritiya special Lakshmi bar and Lakshmi 10 gram gold bar and 50 gram silver goddess Lakshmi and Lord Balaji bar. Today we are just doing a gold bar challenge. It's a fun activity where consumers can have to pick out a 5.7 kg bar from a small hole, and if they do, they will win a 10 gram silver band. It's a great way to just engage with the audience, and that's what we are doing to just build some momentum and build some engagement around this festival Akshaya Tritiya. And we already have one winner who has already pulled it out. So yeah.